Do you want to use Amazon Alexa to easily add items to your Notion database? Let me show you how to do it automatically, using Zapier. To do this task, I'll want to create a Zap. In Zapier, a Zap is a simple way to connect different apps and make them work together automatically. With Zapier's no-code app builder, I can create my Zap from scratch, or with Zapier's new AI Copilot, I can just describe what I want. I could say something like, add database items in Notion with new trigger phrases spoken in Amazon Alexa, and it'll build the workflow for me. The trigger screen will then pop up. Our trigger is an event that starts any Zap. For our setup, you'll need to connect Zapier through your Amazon device. To do this, open up the Alexa app on your device, click the 3 lines on the bottom screen, and then select Skills and Games. Once you've done that, type in Zapier under the search bar and click Launch. Scroll through the prompts and you should be all set up. And don't worry, Zapier will only perform the actions you tell it to in a given Zap. We'll then need to fill out our trigger app's data. To do this, we'll need to type in the phrase that we want to trigger our Zap. Select the phrase you'd like to use as your trigger and then click Continue. In order to finish setting up the trigger, we'll need to pull in some example data. To do that, click Test Trigger. Testing our steps ensures that the data we entered is working. You're all set with the first step. Click Continue with selected record and we can start creating our action. In Zapier, an action is the task that happens automatically after our trigger is set off. Your event should already be chosen, so log into your Notion account just like you did with your Alexa account. From there, we can start to assign our trigger app's data into the action apps fields. Copilot will automatically fill out our configuration steps with our Amazon data. And if my data isn't there, I can ask the Copilot to fill it out for me. With that, I can select from the drop-down menu or add my own text to customize my Zap even further. Once that's complete, I'll test the steps. Great. Let's check our Notion account to make sure this worked. Yep, there it is. This is ready to turn on. Now, whenever a new trigger phrase is spoken to our Amazon Alexa, a new data source item will be created in Notion. So whether you're managing a sales pipeline, automating a marketing campaign, or building your own custom business app, Zapier makes it easy to build applications without coding. And if you like this workflow, click the link below and Copilot will build this app for you automatically. You can sign up and start for free.